All right, hello everybody. Thanks so much for joining me. My name is Mike, and I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. Gonna be jumping back into Python crash course and demoing the 5-4 try it yourself problem, alien colors number 2. Choose a color for an alien as you did in exercise 5-3 and write an if-else chain. If the alien's color is green, print a statement that the player just earned 5 points for shooting the alien. If the alien's color isn't green, print a statement that the player just earned 10 points. Write one version of the program that runs the if block and the other that runs the else. I kind of alluded to this in my previous demo of 5-3, alien colors number 1. But let's go ahead and jump into this one. So let's set an alien color variable equal to quote green. Let's write an if-else chain where we're going to say if alien color is equal to quote green. We're asking the question, if alien color is equal to green. If the alien color is equal to green, then we want to say you earned 5 points for shooting the alien. If the alien's color isn't green, we want to print a statement that we just earned 10 points. Else, if the alien's color is not green, we are specifically going to perform this action. Print, quote, you earned 10 points for missing the alien. So if we run this with alien color being green, we get 5 points for shooting the alien because we're evaluating the condition in our if-else block if the alien color is equal to, quote, green. Now if we comment this out and make alien color equal to, quote, red, what do you think will print? 5 points or 10 points? Let's go ahead and run. Well, because the alien color is now red, the if alien color is equal to green evaluation returns a false Boolean and jumps to this else statement because this if is not performed and this is skipped, and the else statement has this action within it to print you earn 10 points for missing the alien. All right, this was 5-4 alien colors number 2. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you guys in the next one.